In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get product SKU in WooCommerce. First, make sure you're logged into your WordPress admin dashboard. This is the main control panel for your site, and it's usually where you manage everything from posts and pages to your online store. Once you're on the dashboard, turn your attention to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. This vertical menu is where WordPress groups all of your main options. In that left panel, look for the menu item labeled Products. This is where WooCommerce stores all the items you sell. Don't click it right away. Instead, hover your mouse over Products. When you hover, a small submenu will appear just to the right. From those options, click on All Products. This will take you to a page that lists every product currently set up in your WooCommerce store. On the All Products page, you'll see a table that includes your product names, prices, stock status, and other basic details. Scroll through this list or use the search box at the top right if you have many products and want to quickly find a specific one. Once you locate the product whose SKU you want to get, move your mouse over its name. You'll see some quick links appear, but for this process, go ahead and click directly on the product name to open the full product editor. When the product editor loads, you'll see several sections with different options for that product. What you're looking for is the product data section, usually located in the middle of the page, just below the main description area. This section has its own small set of tabs on the left side, such as general, inventory, shipping, and so on. In that product data box, click on the tab labeled Inventory. This tab is specifically for stock management settings, including stock quantity, stock status, and the SKU. Once the Inventory tab is active, you'll see a field labeled SKU. If an SKU has already been assigned to this product, it will appear right there in that field. You can read it, copy it, or use it wherever you need, like for reports, integrations, or marketplace listings. If the SKU field is empty, that simply means no SKU has been set yet for this product. In that case, you can type a unique code there and update the product to save it. But the main goal here is knowing exactly where to look whenever you need to get the SKU for any WooCommerce product.